Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will answer the question, does the Logitech MX Master 4 supports multi-device switching? Let's begin. And the answer for that question is yes, it does. If we rotate our device, we can see that it can be connected up to 3 devices at the same time, and we can simply click the button to disable the current device and switch to the other device. And like that, and like that. Now, if you want to learn more, you can always watch my Master 4 to multiple devices, like how to connect to multiple devices and switch seamlessly tutorial, because in there I go in depth and I actually show you how this works. But as you can see, we can go into here and go into EasySwitch. And as you can see, this whole thing is the definition of EasySwitch. We are currently connected to the desktop, which is the computer I'm using to record this video, and another MacBook, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!